Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, I'm gonna review this solar street light. This is a 500 volts and it's a solar street and it is waterproof. So this is what came in the box, and you have every tool that you need to install it properly. Okay, you have, of course, the manual of instructions, the solar lamp that you will be installing, and also you have the on one side it has the solar panel, and on the other side it has the lamp. Also, it has like the receiver for the remote that it's also included. Of course, you will also have the mounting for installation and all the screws that you need. Okay, so let's just go ahead and install them and install it. So the first thing that you're gonna do is, of course, make the proper drawings for your holes, and then you will be putting the holes right here and install these screws where you actually have the mounting and the post right here as well. Okay, so once that you install those, you will also need to install a couple of screws on the bottom part, and these are the ones that come in the lamp. So you will put these screws here on the lamp and then just cover them up with this part and use this washer like so. So once that you do this, you will be doing exactly the same on the other part. And once that you have all connected, this will be actually installed on the post right here. So once that you put these, you just need to adjust these really well so you can see. And now that you have installed it very properly, just make sure that the panel solar is upwards. Of course, it's on the sky side, and as you can see, it's already charging on this part, on the green part, and it has the power button right here on the red. The red part is like the power button. Right now we are on daylight, and when there's daylight, it identifies it and just won't turn on. As you can see, when we try to turn on, it won't turn on because you don't need light, right? You can define the intensity from the remote control from 25, 75, 50%, and 100%. You can turn it on and off. And you have, of course, the timers from 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and up to 8 hours. Now let's see how it looks once that it's nighttime. Okay, as you can see, it lights up really, really well during the night. And it's I'm just loving it because this is a lamp that you can always use and it won't spend any penny.